Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to delete contacts from your Gmail account permanently. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to click on this horizontal line. After which you scroll down and you click on what? Contacts. So guys, you simply need to install this app if you are using Android, but if you are using iOS, you simply need to install the same app. So we are going to click on what? Install. Once installation is complete, you simply need to click on what? Open. Allow. So guys, these are my contacts in my Gmail account. So I'll simply need to choose the contact I want to delete. I'll click on it, after which I'm going to click on what? Delete. Move to trash. So guys, that's actually the way you delete contacts from your Gmail account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.